God, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're about to be sculpting today. We are going to do the nails on my dominant hand. So of course today is one of those adventures of non-dom videos. Bum bum bum. So what we're going to do is throw some forms on. I've already done a removal. I have completely prepped my nails. I have done the base layer just to make sure that we are not putting colored polygels directly on my nail bed. And then we're just going to go ahead and finish forming this up and making sure that it is nice and tight. And then I'm going to do all the rest off camera. Now this is the product we're working with today is Vrenmol Diamond Polygel, Diamond Glitter Polygel. This first color we're going to work with is the Diamond Pink, and we're going to do the full pinky nail in this color. While I do that, let's go ahead and say happy Monday, happy Memorial Day. I hope that you are having a fabulous day and that you are feeling as good as you're looking, because darling, you look marvelous. Let me know if you know what that is. Of course you do, if you're in my age group or like to watch old episodes of SNL. So we're just going to go ahead and finish up this nail. And when you're working with glitter gels, glitter polygels, colored polygels, any of that, and you're going to see that coming up soon, you're going to want to remove your form and go ahead and smooth out the underneath and re-cure it with your hand upside down, because sometimes the light does not penetrate completely. So you want to make sure that you get everything cured. And when you take off the form, sometimes there can be some gooeys under there. So make sure you get everything cured all the way. It is vitally important that you do that. Otherwise, you're going to have a mess. So don't forget to do that. I'm just going to finish up on this particular nail. I'm curing everything for full 60 seconds and then the underneath again for a full 60 seconds. And we are keeping this set short again because my grandson is still a little bit not got full control of his spine. And so when I'm with him, I don't want a long nail poking him in the eye or any of that. I don't want him to get hurt. So I'm keeping my nails rather short right now, and we'll get back to longer nails once he's got more control over his body. Right now, when he tries to come towards you, he's still real jerky and stuff. He's only coming up on 5 months old, so he's starting to sit up. He's starting to think about crawling. He's really getting into an active stage. And here we are cleaning up the underside of those nails. You can see how much gooey is under there. So really just smooth that out super nice and then give it another cure. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a tricolor. I guess you could sort of call it a marble, but to me it's almost like a loosey-goosey color block, right? It's not full color blocks because it's not shapes, but it's just sort of a smooshy one, right? So however you like to think of it, that's what we're going to do on 2 of the nails. And we're going to use the blue-green Diamond Polygel, the pink Diamond Polygel, and this real pretty yellow from Saviland. And of course, everything's going to be linked in the description. So you'll be able to look it up and find out what, where you can get that. Probably on Amazon. I think most of this stuff came on Amazon, but they may have their own websites too. I don't know. I haven't actually looked it up. I should do that. I'll do that. And then once you get this all shaped out real nice, you're going to want to pop that in the lamp. And again, that's a 60-second cure. And don't forget to do the underneath. Very, very important. And whatever shape you're doing, this is sort of an oval shape. I guess it's kind of almondy, but it feels more oval-y to me. But I really dig it. It's super cute. Really, really love it. really love it. So let me know in the comment section below, do you like working with the colored polygels? Is that something you enjoy? Do you prefer colored acrylics? Do you like colored builder gels? Let me know what your favorite products are. I want to test everything. Let me know what you're using so that I can check it out. And then we're going to do the same thing on the pointer finger. Just instead of the blue-green on top, we're going to do the pink on top. And then on the thumb, we're going to mirror the pinky, but with the blue-green. Honestly, I think of all the colors in this particular hand, my favorite is the blue-green. I feel like maybe I'm going to do a full set of something like that coming soon. We'll see. We'll see. I don't want to use it again too quickly because, you know, you get bored, right? You don't want to wear the same color all the time. No, you don't. So if you had a long weekend, did you do anything fun? Did you have a barbecue? I know a lot of people have barbecues because Memorial Day is sort of the unofficial start to summer, even though we've still got a few more days until summer starts. It's June something, right? I'll have to look up the solstice. I forget. We'll do something for the solstice. There you go. Now here we are coming in with that blue-green. Look at how pretty that color is. And it lays down so nicely. Really enjoy working with the Vrenmol. It's not too sticky. It really moves exactly where you want it to. It's not so thick that you can do all your nails before you cure. Absolutely not. But I would think you could probably get a couple done. I always tend to, especially when I'm working with my non-dominant hand, I usually tend to just cure every nail as I go. It feels safer to me to not mess it up. And I'm not that fast with my non-dominant, so, and there's my little snack. I was getting hungry. But honestly, this set went pretty quickly because PolyGel, I like to use PolyGel with my non-dominant because it's so forgiving and mistake-proof. So now on these marbly, swirly, color blocky nails, we're going to do this lattice. My daughter thinks it looks like mermaids. I think it looks like a pineapple. You let me know in the comment section what you think it looks like. Then on the other nails, we're going to do some off-center flowers. The yellow nail, it's going to be just a little off-center, which it could look like a mistake, but I meant it intentionally. So you will have to decide, was it a good decision or not? Let me know. And then on the other two, we're just doing half flowers down at the tips, opposite tips. Now we're coming in with my favorite top coat, which is Light Elegance, super shiny. This is a hard gel, so there is a tacky layer. You cannot use this with chromes, but you can certainly cover the chromes with them if you're looking for a stain, scratch resistant, scratch resistant top coat. And I can certainly attest to the stain resistance. It's perfect. Now, as far as the scratch resistance goes, it's not going to hold up to you biting your nails, right? Sometimes I chew on my nails from anxiety. Not enough to like break them, but it will mess up the top coat. So it's no top coat is perfect, because if it was, you wouldn't be able to file it off. Let's keep that for real. And I am going to clean all that schmutz off my nails after I dry the top coat, after I cure it. And I do actually do 2 top coats and cure the last one for 2 full minutes, because it really just bakes that shine so hard. It just makes it so shiny and it's so beautiful. And this is the finished set. Guys, let me know if you like them in the comment section below. I really do appreciate you coming to see me today. We will see you again on Wednesday. Have a fabulous day. And don't forget to keep it glam. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.